In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a board on Trello step by step. Whether you want to duplicate a project, reuse a content calendar, or create a template for future workflows, copying a board in Trello is a huge time saver. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can duplicate an existing board in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board you want to copy. For this example, we're going to open a board called YouTube Planning Board, but this works the same way for any Trello board you have access to. Click on the board so it fully loads on your screen. Make sure you're on the main board view where you can see all your lists and cards. This is important because the copy option is found inside the board's menu settings. Next, look toward the top right corner of the board interface. You'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This opens up the board menu where you can manage access and additional settings for this specific board. Inside this menu, scroll if needed and look for the option that says Copy Board. Click on Copy Board. A new window will appear asking you to configure the details for your duplicated board. Now you'll need to type in a name for your new board. This is where you can customize it depending on your needs. For example, you might add the word Highlight, Template, Q2 Planning, or 2026 version to clearly differentiate it from the original board. Make sure the name is something that helps you quickly identify its purpose later. You'll also see options that allow you to decide what gets copied. Typically, Trello will copy the lists and cards, and you may have options to include or exclude members. Review these settings carefully depending on whether this copy is just for you or for a team. Once you're happy with the name and settings, click on Create. Trello will now generate a duplicate of your board. Depending on how large the board is, this may take a few seconds. After the process is complete, Trello will automatically open your newly copied board. You'll now see an exact duplicate of your original structure, including all lists and cards that were selected during the copy process. From here, you can start customizing the new board. You can rename lists, archive cards you don't need, update due dates, assign different team members, or modify it to fit your new project. This is especially useful if you run recurring projects like content planning, client onboarding, product launches, or weekly workflows. And that's it. That's how you copy a board on Trello quickly and easily. It only takes a few clicks and can save you hours of manual setup time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.